Hey guys, so here I'm with Arjun Virdi here. So he teaches marathon running and he is one of the best in India, guys. He has taken part in more than 50, right?
Yeah, 50.
International and national marathons, with some of the half one is like 21 kilometers and full one is 42.
Yeah.
So these are the type of marathons he is covering, and now he is trying to teach others how to get into marathon. So today we are at DY Patil Stadium, where he has this.
आज पहला दिन है मेरा यहाँ racing का.
So he has started
Today's
this.
third.
He
Yeah.
has started this firm called V Sport Academy, where he teach people how to get into fitness.
Fitness
Exactly.
and running.
Fitness and running.
Running.
So basically, it's about marathon running. So if you have any doubts, any queries about marathons, and you're interested in to learn this, please do contact Virdi sir, because he's the best.
Thank you.
So let's see how he's doing it.
Thank you.
Hey guys, so these are the number of people today for the class, and so that's the first day for all of them at DY Patil Stadium. If you can see, Virdi sir, he is wearing a 10K monsoon run t-shirt. So that's where he'll be the brand ambassador for the next run, which is coming in Chembur. So if you have any queries, you want to join that marathon running, please do connect with us. We'll let you know further details. Guys, marathon is a cardiovascular exercise, so wherein your heart pumps very fast and it helps the blood flow in all the organs. So it is very good. I mean, I have read articles about this, that if you're doing marathons, then it helps you live longer. It helps you keep healthy, and your heart is functioning far better than the normal people, those who are running. So it's a good way to get into fitness. If you are not into gyms, if you're not into workouts, heavyweight lifting, then marathon is something which you can look up, because it will teach you how to keep your breathing correct. It will teach you how to stay longer on the field, and these are the things which are very important in such kind of events. Now here's the favorite part of mine, that's planks. This is a core based workout, guys, so that has to be perfect. Your lower body should be parallel to the ground.
Okay, hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. So for how long have you all been training?
2-3 months.
3 months. So how does it feel to train?
It feels great.
How does it feel to get up in the morning?
Amazing. Totally
Nice.
charged. It's very awesome.
So any difference from before and after?
We are having a new hobby.
Yes?
That's true. It's actually a new hobby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So anything about the trainer? Any personal comments that you all have? How does he work?
Changed our life.
Really?
And he's so dedicated that, you know, more than for us, it's for him that we get up early in the morning.
Actually.
And we no longer trouble our husbands on Sundays, because we get an outing with
So
sir.
you all like getting trained?
Yes.
Yes? Yes?
Every Sunday we
We've
go.
all seen a lot of difference in ourselves, because all of us were few kgs more.
Really?
3 months back,
Yeah,
and now
yes.
we all have seen a lot of
And
difference.
we
So-
actually formed this group, and this group is so awesome.
So we
Everybody
feel like we are
motivated.
not
So we
alive,
got
you
this
know.
group.
So is it only just the weight, or just a lifestyle change?
Overall
personality, you know,
You all feel more happy?
more happy, more positive.
Excited, more happy.
So,
So-
initially, it was not even that, you know, we could run for 2 minutes, but now, like 2-3 kilometers is just a piece of cake.
So
for
there
all
is
of
a
us.
difference.
And it's
Your
more
stamina.
than the outer joy, it's the more inner happiness. Inner happiness.
So you all wish to continue?
Definitely.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hey guys,
Hi.
so I'm here with Sheetal. Sheetal, how long you are in touch with Virdi sir?
Around 3-4 months.
3-4 months.
Yeah.
And how is the experience over here?
It's amazing. There is a drastic change in myself. I'm
Okay.
very positive now. I've lost around 5 kg.
Amazing. That would be in 3 months.
Oh yeah, 3
That's
months.
great. That's great.
And I think running changed my life.
Okay.
I'm more positive. I don't cry now. Actually, my habit is I'm very much sensitive person.
Okay.
I cries a lot, but now I said, "Bhad mein
Bhad
jaye
mein-
everything."
So more
Yes.
cooled out, more chilled out
More
now.
chilled out, more cooled out, and I'm feeling great now. Really.
So,
It's
what do you
out
suggest?
of the world, like I'm myself now.
So he has the feeling which he is not able to express as of now. I can say that. But okay, so
I'm like speechless now.
yeah.
actually.
So okay, leaving that topic.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to tell our viewers why they should get into fitness and especially marathon running? How this helps them? As you have experienced for last 3 to 4 months, I would like you to share that experience.
Actually, running really changed your life, and I think nowadays there is a very much stressful life.
Yeah,
right?
too much work
too
and all.
too much stressful life. So running is like you सब भूल जाते हैं. While I'm running now, I just forget everything कि घर में क्या हुआ था, father ने क्या बोला, mother ने क्या बोला, husband ने क्या बोला, everything.
Okay.
Like
So you be with yourself.
be with yourself.
Amazing. So the guys, जैसे if I break,
Negative thoughts जाते हैं, positive आते हैं, you know, like that.
and you have so many people to talk to, then
हाँ,
it
actually-
becomes a stress
actually,
buster.
अभी हमारा इतना बड़ा ग्रुप बन गया है ना, वी आर फीलिंग वेरी मच लाइव.
Yeah.
एक बोलते हैं ना जैसे कॉलेज डेज थे ना,
Okay.
वैसे अभी मेरा एज 42 है, बट अभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मैं अभी 21 22 की हो गई हूँ, क्योंकि इतना लाइव ग्रुप है हमारा. वी आर एंजॉइंग
Every
हर
moment.
ईच एवरी मोमेंट. और आफ्टर रन क्लिक्स पिक्स, तो दैट इज मोर
Amazing.
अमेजिंग.
So here she is, Sheetal. She's been doing this for last 4 months, guys, and we will.
You can see glow on my face, you know.
That's the benefits of running
Yes,
marathon.
yes, actually for ladies.
So guys, get into this. V Sport is providing coaching in DY Patil, Nerul.
Yeah.
It's Nerul. DY Patil, Nerul. So if you guys are interested into it, please contact with us. I'll put description of Vedis's Facebook ID and his phone number in my description, so you can look into those. Thank you, Sheetal.
Thank you very much.
So first thing I want to know is like when you started this, you must be like new to this thing. So इससे आपको physical changes or mentally, do you feel some changes in yourself? What kind of changes there are like?
Physically, there is a change. It's a combination of physical and mental both. And
So it's kind of a stress buster, I can say.
Yes, definitely.
So you.
are a lot more positive now.
Alright.
It's a very good start, early start, and it carries on throughout the day.
Okay.
So we have a very good day.
That's great. And what about getting up at morning 5? Sir asked you to get up at 5. He asked me to get up at 5 today. I was very difficult for me.
बापू सेहत के लिए तो हानिकारक है.
So Arjun sir, सेहत के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं.
That's great.
But
there
Arjun
is
sir
a starting problem. We won't say no, and when we have to wake up in the morning, but then once we are in the field, we are totally high. It's
Okay.
actually high.
When adrenaline takes over.
Yes.
Alright.
Welcome to V Sports.